Swami Vivekananda, Unity in Diversity Address at the World's Parliament of Religion, Chicago, 11th September 1893. Sister and brothers of America, it fills my heart with joy and unspeakable to write in the response to the warm and cordial welcome which you have given us. I thank you in the name of the most ancient order of the monks in the world. I thank you in the name of the mother of religion, and I thank you in the name of millions and millions of the people of India, all classes in the sect. My thanks also to some of the speakers of this platform who, referring to the delegates from the Orient, have told you that this man, four of nations, may welcome the honor of the bearing the different lands, the idea of the toleration. I am proud to belong to a religion which has taught the world both tolerance and universal brotherhood. We believe not only in universal toleration, but we accept all religion as truth. I am proud to belong to a nation which has sheltered the persecuted and the refugees of all the religion and all the nation. I am proud to tell you that we have gathered in our bosom the purest cement of the Israelis who came to southern India and took refugees with us in the very year in which their holy temple was shattered by pieces of the Roman tyranny. I am proud to belong to the religion which has sheltered and is still fostering the remnant of the grand Zoroastrianism nation. I will quote to you the brethren and a few lines from the hymn which I remember to have repeated from my earliest boyhood, which is every day repeated by billions of the people of the human being, as the different streams living in the source of the different places of all the mingle their way to water in the sea. So all are the different paths which men take throughout different tendencies, various thoughts, they appear crooked or straight only to thee. The present convention, which is one of the most august assembly ever held in the world of the wonderful doctrine preached to in the Gita, whosoever comes to me through whosoever form I reach him. All men are struggling through the paths which in the end lead to me. Sectarianism, bigotry, and the horrible disdain, fanaticism have long possessed this beautiful earth. They have filled in the earth with violence, drains it often with human blood, destroyed civilization, and sent whole nation to the despair. These are the words of Swami Vivekananda. Thank you very much.